Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's changing the world AI or artificial intelligence. From your phone's face, unlock to YouTube recommendations, and even voice assistants like Siri or Alexa AI is everywhere. But have you ever wondered how does AI actually work? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means a system that can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans do. Humans learn from experience. AI learns from data. For example, if you show a child many pictures of dogs, they learn to recognize what a dog looks like. AI does the same, it looks at thousands of images, analyzes patterns, and learns to identify what's what. So, in short, AI is a computer program that learns from data and gets smarter over time. One of the most important parts of AI is called machine learning. Machine learning means training an AI system with lots of examples so that it can learn patterns on its own. Let's say you give it hundreds of pictures of apples and bananas and tell it which is which. AI studies the colors, shapes, and textures and learns how to tell them apart. Later, if you show it a brand new picture, it can predict, hey, that's a banana. That's how machine learning works, by learning from data and improving automatically. The next level of AI is called deep learning. This is inspired by the human brain and it uses something called artificial neural networks. These networks are made up of layers of virtual neurons that process information, just like our brain cells do. When you feed data into a deep learning model, it passes through many layers, each layer learning something new. That's how AI can now recognize faces, understand speech, and even drive cars by itself. Now let's talk about how AI understands human language. That's called natural language processing or NLP. When you ask something like, "What's the weather today?" the AI breaks down your sentence, understands what you mean, and then gives you a proper answer. Apps like ChatGPT, Google Translate, and voice assistants all use NLP to understand, think, and respond naturally, almost like a real human conversation. Then comes generative AI, the kind of AI that can create things. This is the technology behind tools that generate images, write stories, make songs, or even create full videos. You just tell it, show me a flying horse in the sky, and boom, it creates one for you. Generative AI learns from huge amounts of existing data and then uses that knowledge to make something totally new. AI is already part of our daily lives in medicine, education, business, entertainment, and even filmmaking. In the future, AI will become even more powerful and useful. But remember, AI is created by humans, so it's up to us to use it for good to make life easier, safer, and smarter. So, friends, now you know how AI actually works. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay creative. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
It cost me $7 to generate this entire video. Thanks for support and full video watching.